So, are you a senior? Do you have a game plan? Would you like to retire now? Are you in your 50s? Are you in your 60s? Are you in your 70s? I've got a game plan for you, and I would love to tell you about it. My name is Rosie. We have 4 digital products. They're 100, 300, 600, and 900. You could sell one a day and make 900, 600, 300, or 100, or you could sell all 4 of them in a day, or 5 of each of them in a day. All the money goes directly to your bank account. You do not have to share any of the profits with anyone. No one. 100% goes to your bank account through your payment processing gateway. Yes. Put yes in the comment if you would like to find out more information.